Okay, good morning students. Hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to do our next exercise, that is exercise 1.2 of chapter Knowing Our Numbers. The exercise basically deals with the problem solving. So one by one we are going to do it. Okay, now come to the first question. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on first day, second day, third day and the final day, okay, was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. So here the word total is given here. So total means we have to find out the total number of tickets sold by adding the numbers. We have to find out how many tickets were sold all these 4 days. Okay. So one thing I want to make it clear, it's a problem solving question. So you have to write the steps. As we have read the question is very simple. Okay. We have to find the total number of tickets sold. Okay. So total means we have to add the number, just that. And one thing I want to tell you about the problem solving question is steps are very important in problem solving questions. So step is very compulsory and step marking will be there. Okay, so be careful while writing the steps. Clear? So come to the steps. Ticket sold on, the steps will be very simple. Ticket sold on first day, second day, third day and final day. In this way we are going to write the steps. Okay, tickets sold on first day, how much? That is 1094. Tickets sold on second day. Okay, tickets sold on second day, how much? 1812. Now tickets sold on third day. Tickets sold on third day. How much tickets? 2050. And the final day. Tickets sold on fourth day. You can write it 2751. So since we have to find the total number of tickets, we have to add the numbers. So therefore total number of tickets sold, therefore total number, this is a short form of number, okay, NO dot sold, total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. Can write it here. All 4 days. Okay, so first we are going to add the numbers. So here we have to find the total number of tickets sold on 4 days. So we are going to add the number. You just add up here, put the sign and just add the number. 4 plus 2 is 7, 10, that is carry 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so answer is 7707. Thus 7, and the last line you have to write. I'm writing this side because I'm not having so much space here. So thus 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 7,707 tickets were sold on all 4. Okay, so after writing this, don't write it here, okay, in your copy, in your notebook, write this line below this line, below this step, just write this one, okay. Due to space problem, I have written here. Clear? So in this way, the first question is completed. Hope it is very easy and very clear. We have to find the total number, so we have added the number. Okay, so just go through it. Now to question number 2. I am reading the question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So this is the question. So here in this question we have to find out how many more runs he need to complete 10,000. Okay. So already he has scored 6,980 runs. So we have to subtract 6,980 from 10,000. Okay. So the answer that we will get, that is the required more runs to score. Okay. So this question I am going to give you homework. The steps you can make it by your own. There is no issue in that. So first you have to mention how many run he has made and what is the run what his wishes to complete run, that you have to write it. And after that, how many more run needed, in that you have to subtract 6,980 runs from 10,000. The answer which you will get, that's the more runs he required to make for 10,000. Okay, so this one is homework for you. Come to the next question number 3. Thank you. Now question number 3. So I am going to read the question here. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So here in this question, hope you are familiar with the elections. So here also 2 candidates are there. One is successful candidate and one is the rival candidate, who is, here the term rival stands for the opposition party, right? Who secured less vote as compared to the successful candidate. So we have to find out the margin. Marginal votes means we have to find the difference. We have to do the subtraction here. Okay. So let's come to the answer, solution. So first we will write the vote secured by a successful candidate. The votes secured by successful candidate. I'm writing here. Okay. How much? 5,77,500. Okay. Now you can write it here, number of votes, that will be okay. And I am writing number of votes secured by successful candidate. Okay. Now number of votes secured by rival candidate. I'm writing here, that is how much? 3,48,700. So what do you have to find out? So here we have to find the marginal vote here. So we have to find the difference here. So here I'm talking about the margin. We have to find out by how many votes did the successful candidate won. Okay. See in the previous question also, question number 2. As I told you that 6,980 runs he already scored. Okay. And his dream was to complete 10,000 runs. So same way here also. In that question also we have to find the difference. So here also we are going to find the difference. We have to find out just how many vote, by how many vote he won the election. Understood? So here we are going to do the subtraction. So margin of votes is equal to, I am doing subtraction here. Okay, 0, 0, 8, that is 8, 6, that is also 8, 6 is 4, 2, and 5 is 2 lakh 20. Okay, and the margin vote is 2,28,800. So this is the answer. Okay, so here same you have to do it in question number 2 also, and same thing we have to do it here also. We have to do the subtraction here and there also. Okay, so here we completed question number 3. Now come to question number 4.